Hi, hello, my 5th standard kids. Welcome to Max class. Today we are going to go for the second lesson, numbers. Let's start the lesson. Hope you have got the books. Those who have got the books, see the books. So I have started the numbers. In 5th standard, we are going to learn the table from 10,001 to 10,100. So this is the table I have got it, 10,001 to 10,100. Please make a table like this in your class, in your notebooks also, children. This is important for you to write your place value, expandable form, and also your abacus. So to know that, just know this table. First step will be to write the table like this. Next we move on to this. I will give a screenshot of this later. Fill this up with just adding that. See how to add, I am just showing you with the numbers. Just add 10 to the previous number. This is 10,010, 10,020, 10,030, 10,040, 10,050, 10,060, 10,070, 10,080, 10,090, 10,100. So I have given the full format of it. So this is 10,110. Then it will be 10,120. So like that, just fill up this format also, so that it is easy for you to do the place value, expandable forms, all that. Here I have given you the place value of 1 crore. How to do for 1 crore I have given. Just have in mind how many zeros you have to add for 1 crore. Have you got any idea? Yes, for crore it will be 8 zeros. You have to add 7 zeros. Sorry. So you have to add 7 zeros. It will be 8 numbers. It will be 8 place values. It will be 7 zeros you have to add. Always remember, children, for the place value of any number, you have to start first from the ones place. Place value will start first from the ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore. So I have given a number here to form the place value. Just see how the numbers with the zeros it is written. So see the number. Ones has no zero. It will be the same number. So tens will be tens. Hundreds it will be 2 zeros. Thousands it will be 3 zeros. 10,000s it will be 4 zeros. Lakh it will be 5 zeros. 10 lakhs it will be 6 zeros. And then it will be for the crore it will be 7 zeros. So when I put all, just to take out all the numbers alone from that, I am getting this number. See the number what I got? 8 crores 65 lakhs 33,215. So you have to write the number names fully for this. How you will write? 8 crores 65 lakhs 33,215. You have to write like that. So here is the number names I have given how to teach. Now let us look how many lakhs, how many ways you can write. I have got 1 lakh. How many ways I can write? 100,000s. Then 10,000 tens. 10 10,000s. Then I have here 1 lakh ones. Same 1 lakh ones will come. Then here I have 1,000 hundreds. So this is the way it can be, many ways it can be written. Just to have a look for you to have a small clarification idea. In detail I have given you. Just to watch this. Again, for crores I am given in many ways. See the crores. See how many zeros are there? 7 zeros are there. So how many ways it can be written? So I am first starting with ones. You will get to ones. How many ones you will get? 1 crore ones you will get, then 10 lakhs tens you will get, then 10,000 you will get 1,000 10,000s, then 10 lakhs will be 10 lakhs, then you will get 10 lakhs thousands you will get, then you will get 100 lakhs, then you will get 1 lakh hundreds. So this is the important detail I want to do for you for the crores, so that it is easy for you. Next I move on to the place value chart. Important table, children, please note this so that it is easy for you to write the place values. See the place value how I have written. So 1 crore, 10 lakhs, 100 lakhs, how it is written, see 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens and ones. So for 1 crore it will be 1 crore ones, 10 lakhs tens, 1 lakh hundreds, 10,000 thousands, 1,000 10,000s, 100 lakhs, then 10 lakhs, it will be then 1 crore. So it will just reduce 110 in each line, you will get the 10 lakhs. 10 for this you will get 1 lakh. Next 0 for 10 lakh. Then 1,000 it reduce 10 you will get to 1,000. So this is an important table. Just to have an idea of this and learn that table also. Next I move on to your homework for today. I will give a screenshot of this also. How I have written the number names. See, first I started with the place value of the numbers. Put the box, write the numbers, write the place value, then write the number names. Same way I have given some homework numbers also here, just to do the sums and please forward it to me. Next I move on to the next side of homework. See here I have got some more homework for you, how to write the numbers. So fill in the numbers which is left over. It is very easy for you to fill up, and then learn this table. It will be very easy for you. With this I close today's lesson, children. Hope you like the lesson. See you in the next class. Thank you.